Hi everybody, what's going on? My name is Shaquan from SLFX Trading, and in today's video, I am going to be breaking down three currency pairs. Now, when it comes to the currency pairs that I am going to be breaking down, understand that these are from my viewpoint only and that they should be used for educational purpose. I am also using TradingView. TradingView is a great all-in-one platform that allows you to mark up your price charts, which you can analyze currency pairs, cryptocurrency, stocks, ETFs, commodities, indexes, energies, metals, and bonds. But you can also live trade and demo trade through TradingView as well. So if you're looking for a very easy customizable platform, you guys, TradingView is the way to go. Make sure you guys click the link below to sign up for free, and then when you're ready to upgrade, you can upgrade to its great features as well too. So let's go ahead and get into the video. The first currency pair that we're going to be looking at is Euro JPY. Now when it comes to Euro JPY, I want you guys to notice something with me. So we're going to scroll to the left, okay? Now, the only reason why we're scrolling to the left is because these exchange rates on the price chart are very important, okay? 127.092, if you guys can see right here. What you guys will notice is that price has come and it's tested that exchange rate, but it's pushed up higher and higher and higher. Now, we're on the daily time frame, okay? So what this means is if price is creeping up higher and higher and higher, and we've already passed 127s, per the weekly time frame, that means that we have a new higher high on the weekly time frame as well too, and we have evidence of that per looking at the daily. So 126, 125s, 127s, back down to 125s, back up to 127s, down to 126s. Our exchange rates are creeping up, and at this moment we don't know how high price can go. But when the market starts trending like this in tight ranges, these are your money making areas. Okay, so let's get into it here. Now, the last higher high per the daily right now is at 126.05, and we need price to stay above that number or exchange rate if price is going to go back up. So right now you guys can see that price has pulled back. Now I'm watching here to see if we're going to get some bullish momentum maybe today or tomorrow, and if we do, I will be letting you guys know that I will be taking a buy back up to 127.470 and higher. Okay, so I'm looking for this to continue to the upside, and just like that, you guys, the analysis is done. Okay, it doesn't have to be that overcomplicated. It doesn't have to be that overwhelming, and I'm not dropping down in time frames. Here's the reason why. You guys, I enter my trades per the daily time frame. It doesn't mean that you have to. I just see better confirmations for myself on the daily time frame, and the daily time frame actually fits my schedule. So I only have to show up one time a day to trade, and it only takes me about 5 to 10, at most 15 minutes to place a trade when I'm on the daily time frame. Okay, so altogether it takes me 15 minutes to trade, which is why I have 15-minute trading days. Now, some of you guys may be different, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with having longer trading days, but keeping the analysis just this simple, understanding that I'm trading up with Euro JPY because it is going higher, right? I don't want to trade against it. I don't want to sell at the moment because price is not saying it's time to sell. So I'm sitting on my hands until I get the confirmation. If I don't get confirmation that price is going to keep going up, I sit on my hands. I do nothing on the currency pair, because as a trader, you have to know when it's time to trade. You have to know when it's time not to trade. At the moment, I'm not taking a trade until I see bullish evidence. We're going to go back up to the upside. Okay, so that being said, let's go over to the next currency pair. The next currency pair that we're going to focus on is going to be pound USD. Now, dealing with the pound dollar, you guys, just like Euro JPY, pound dollar has been making higher highs and higher lows. Do these two currency pairs correlate? No, not really. But right now, they are trending very well in tight ranges. So let's look at it. 1.355 or 1.35363, 1.31337, 1.36277, 1.31831, 1.37048. I'm pretty sure you guys are getting a clear picture now, right? So the exchange rates are creeping up, which means I don't want to be the seller. I want to be the buyer until price tells me to do something different. Now, yesterday we closed as a very beautiful rejection candle. This is on my zone. This is my estimation zone. This is a formal market structure. It's not support and resistance, you guys, okay? So if you don't know, I am a swing trader and I trade from higher time frames, and I don't use traditional market structure, okay? I just use something simple, price action, right? So I trade based on what the price is doing. And yesterday when we closed at the rejection candle, that showed that we could get bullish movement to the upside. And based on today's candle that closes in the next 7 hours and 47 minutes, if price ends up closing bullish, this could be a good sign to hop into a buy, okay? And my targets will be back to 1.37048, back to the higher highs and above, okay? So once again, just that simple, the analysis is done. I just want to wait to see how today's candle is going to close to confirm if my sell is to confirm. I just want to see how today's candle is going to close to confirm that my buy is valid, and then we hop on, right? So that's pound USD. Then last but not least is GJ. Now, as you guys can see, price has moved up. And some of you guys may be wondering, why in the heck is she showing us this currency pair is already moved up? Well, let's talk about it. So just like Euro JPY, just like pound USD, GJ, pound JPY is in an uptrend as well. Let's watch just the previous 3 exchange trades, right? Or just the previous 4 exchange trades, right? So we got 1.4129, 1.39460, 141,365, 139,513. As you guys can see, the higher highs and higher lows are being made. Uptrend. Now, about a month or two ago, I was hoping that price could actually stay below the 140s and end up dropping. I switched over to that. So I'm neutral on this currency pair, because all the while, even though this pair is bearish per the higher time frame, right now price still wants to go up. So it's testing that last lower high, and I'm okay with that. So guess what? I'm adjusting to what price is doing now. And let's talk about that. What happens when a trade has a great setup, but at the moment it's doing something different? But then you adjust with what it's doing at the current moment, right? So that way, when it's ready to do what you thought it would do or wanted to do, you would be ready for that setup as well too. So it's no need to harbor on something that didn't happen. You just adjust what's going on with price now, okay? Because if I focus on what I thought 2 months ago, I would miss these opportunities like this. But this is also an opportunity that I wanted to get into yesterday, but guess what didn't happen? My risk to reward was not met. Although every rule was met for me to enter, trended to the upside, price was at my structure, price action gave me a really beautiful candle to enter the trade on, the risk to reward is not a 1-to-1. Not how I enter the trade for the daily time frame. So price went up to 141.392, proving it could stay above 141.365. Now, this is the area that I wanted price to come back into so that I can enter the trade. It did come back. It touched. It gave a beautiful rejection candle. But entering to the trade, my first targets were at 141.392, which means I can't enter the trade because the risk reward wouldn't be there, because my stop loss would have to go down to 139.896. My second target, which would have been at 141.875, while higher, my trade was still not a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So guess what? I'm on my hands, even though the rules are there, because when I place that stop loss, you guys, I don't want to risk more than what I could potentially make. It just wouldn't be worth it, right? And so I'm not in that position because I want to make sure every rule is met, every rule is checked off, and that just makes me comfortable placing a trade. While I understand, yes, price was going to go my way because my rules are being met, win or lose, you just never know, right? So this is a lesson learned. I'm happy with following my rules. I'm happy when my analysis is right. It proves that my eyes are still sharp. It proves that my iron is still sharpened, right? So this is one that I'll just chalk it up to the books. I'll take a picture of the setup. I'll archive it because it's a good setup, just didn't meet the risk to reward potential. But it proves I keep taking this setup time after time after time again. That's the same, and it is working. So lesson learned, you guys. So you guys, the 2 pairs that I am looking at for the rest of the week, Euro JPY, pound USD for potential trades, right? GJ was a lesson learned for the week. Always follow your rules no matter how good the trade looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all have any questions, let me know. If you're looking to work with me one-on-one, make sure you click the link down below to get a discovery call with me, a free 15-minute discovery call where we can chat together first to see how we can work together. Or if you say, Shaquan, I want to start working with you now, you guys, I have a coaching group, the Swing Trading Society, where you can join me inside of there. It is a membership group, you guys, but we analyze our charts first on Sundays, and then I present a few to you guys throughout the week. So if you want to work with me, get your price charts analyzed, come in and join a great group of traders that's already doing amazing things, you guys. Link is down below as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.